Hey guys, I got more. Guess what? You know how I said I was gonna get more? Sorry, I'm in my pajamas. I said I was gonna get more fidgets. Well, I already did. So first thing I got this whole entire fidget toy set. So yeah, let's open it. First thing I got was this wacky track. I think that's what it's called for me. So the wacky track, and then I got more monkey noodles. Yeah. I think I'm gonna rate these. This I'm gonna rate 5 out of 10. This I'm gonna rate 1 out of 10. This already rated. Okay. This I'm gonna rate 2 out of 10. These I already rated. So yeah, I'm gonna rate. Guys, I'm sorry. Let me just get stuff that I didn't open yet because I already opened most of these things. These things are okay. Small. Okay, guys. Okay. Done. So I got some new things. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Okay, so first thing I got was these things. So like I got a little tiger, I got a little kitty laying down, I got a penguin, and I think this is a seal, a green one. The next thing I got was like a little squishy ball. I don't consider this at all. The next thing I got was this spiky ball. The next thing I got is this. I really don't know what this is called, but I really want it. The next thing I got is this. It's like a little contraction. And then I have a name. Okay. And I have this one. I already have it. And this thing is like a little cool. Okay, so now I got something really cool. I got a bike chain. So this bike chain is really cool. Comment down below. This is a question of the week. Do you know what you do with this? Tell me what you do with this, please. Peace out, guys. Happy New Year's. I'm joking. It ain't Happy New Year.